What's up guys? For today's video we're going to put to the test FiberFix. This is 100 times stronger than duct tape. It says you can fix it in just 10 minutes, and right here it tells you can fix pretty much anything. Piping, garden tools, hockey sticks, whatever. Well, I bought my shovel recently. This is fiberglass shovel. I like it because it's lightweight. You can also fix wooden shovels just as well. But let's see how I'm going to do it, and hopefully it actually works. Okay, let's open it up. Boom. Contains 2 rolls. I just need 1. They also include gloves and sandpaper. Oh wow, will this fit? Looks like it fits, because usually those gloves never fit me. I have to bring my own gloves. Very simple instruction. What we're going to do first is dip it in water, the whole roll, for 10 seconds. 10 to 12 seconds. Boom, there is the roll. By the way, they say it's non-toxic, but it might make a mess. And then later we're gonna wrap it up with this little thing. First of all, I gotta figure it out. What is my plan? This is where it broke. So I'm probably better off to just completely removing this little piece and then putting it together. So that way there is no space in the back right here. Looks like a piece completely fell off. So you wanna sand it where you're going to apply the FiberFix, so that way it sticks to it. Then I have here a bucket of water, and then we're going to drop our FiberFix for like 10 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna take it out. Okay, let's see what happens. You wanna do it pretty tight, as tight as possible. Especially when you're rolling it right here. Okay. For what I understand, you wanna spin it the most where it's broken. So let's see. Right now it's kind of fail. It's kind of turns on me all over. Definitely not the comfortable thing to do, the most comfortable thing to do, but let's see. It's getting along pretty good. Okay, it's kind of a fail. I feel like it was my first time using it, but oh well. Now we're just going to leave it out here for 10 minutes and it should dry out. By the way, in the commercial they say I'm supposed to roll up this little plastic thing around it. Let's see what it does. Something like that, I guess. Hold it all together and make sure all that juice stays in it. Looks nice. Now we're just going to leave it alone for 10 minutes. Wait till it dries out and let's see what happens. It's been 20 minutes and it feels really tight right now. Wow, I can't believe it. It's crazy. Okay, let's try to dig a little bit, see if it's going to work or not. Wow, that's amazing. As you can see, it's snowing a little bit, so it's actually dirt actually a little bit harder right now. I'm gonna save the ground. I need to dig a hole around here. I'm gonna save the grass. But wow, can you believe it? It still works. Look at that. Look how much dirt that is. Full shovel, look at that. That's amazing. I didn't believe it was going to be strong enough. But as you can see, it has no problem doing what it's supposed to do. I cannot believe it. Hit a little rock over here. Beautiful. saving the grass for later. It's honestly a pleasant surprise how well it works now. Beautiful. I'm saving this grass, that's what I'm doing. Okay, let's try to dig it deep. Nice. It looks so good. Even the harder dirt over there as well. No problems. Used to be a broken shovel, now it's fixed. Love it. Look at that, full shovel of dirt. It works. It works really good. That might be a little bit much. That's amazing, rocks and everything. So you guys, you be the judge. What do you think? It's not as strong as it used to be, but as you can see, it does works really well. I cannot believe it actually works so well. I thought it's going to fall apart after like a couple of times of digging. It actually holds up really well. And it was a nasty break right on a shovel. It's a little bit harder to fix it. When you stick brakes right here in the middle, because the thickness is the same of the stick, it will hold up a lot better. But again, it's not unbreakable. If you smash it, it still works. Look at that. If you hit it really hard or dig in too much of dirt, you'll break it just like a regular shovel. So just gotta be careful. I think it's a really cool product, very unique, but I think it's not stronger than actual stick. If you buy a new stick and actually screw it back in how it's supposed to be, it'll be like new, very strong, like shovel's supposed to be. This does fix, it does works, it's pretty amazing. I never seen product like that. But is it stronger than actual stick? No, it's not. The reason why I really like this product, because there's hundreds of uses you can do with that. Let's say your pipe break down, you can temporarily fix it till you replace it completely, but that way you can stop the leak or something like that. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.